My name is Raymond Boysel. For my paper prototype project, I've chosen to do a reduction of Mass Effect, specifically the mechanics involving combat, so shooting and cover. So mechanically, my board game does involve movement on the player side, shooting from both player and enemy, cover from both player and enemy, and a small amount of healing. The dynamics this create is the player being able to shoot and reduce the enemy's chance to hit by taking cover, flanking cover, and being able to forego a round of shooting from the main character by using the healing station in the bar. The aesthetics this creates is fantasy because it still does retain the sci-fi element and fantastical alien creatures, as well as it does create a challenge because it basically is an obstacle course where you just have to wipe out the enemy, but it also involves a lot of spacing. These are the game pieces you'll need. There's some D6 dice at the top, the actual character pieces, and then the actual game board. The character pieces have a little red arrow at the bottom because they are a little larger than the grid pieces, but the red arrow indicates which particular square they are in. And if we look at the board, there's a spawn zone for players where they can put in those 6 squares where they want their squad to be, and then the red areas are particular spawn areas for particular enemies. So we'll go ahead and set this up and play around. Only player can move, enemy cannot move. So I'm going to take Garrus and move him 1, 2 to the full cover spot. I'm going to take Shepard and go 1, 2 straight forward. And then I'm going to take Rex and go 1, 2. Cool, I can attack the jellyfish man. So the way this works is with a sniper rifle, he gets 2 shots and a success range of between 2 to 6. The little jellyfish man is not in cover, so therefore he doesn't get a reduced range. 3 and a 6, so that's hits on both accounts, so he's down to 1 health. He has a sniper rifle, so same deal as Garrus. 2 shots at Rex, and Rex is not in cover. Rex takes 2 damage, so he's down to 4. So that resolves that, and we're going to go ahead and head into the next phase, which is another movement phase. Shepard is going to move 2 spaces into cover, and Rex is going to move 2 spaces behind cover. So now we're going to go to combat again. Rex is within 1, 2, so he gets 3 shots, and it's a 4 to 6 range for success. But he's in full cover, so that actually means that reduces the success range by 2. So that means in order to hit, I have to roll 6. No 6s, so they all miss. Now I'd say you would continue this until either all player characters or all enemy characters are down, and that's the game.